Welcome everyone, I am Rich with Richland Architects. Thank you for tuning into this video with the intention to provide you some insight on how architects work and the overall design process. My office receives many calls asking about the process. Who should be the first call to get started on a design project, an architect or a contractor? There is an inherent value with using an architect. Overall, working with a design professional is a collaborative process. I find many clients have a wish list of wants and don't wants. It is the items in between that are uncertain, a window that an architect can explore and present to you for discussion and interpretation in many collaborative meetings. Our office breaks the design process down into phases as a set of regulated checkpoints and goals. We begin with pre-design, where we look at your living lifestyle. Do you entertain? Like to read in a quiet place? Does someone in your family play a musical instrument? We document any existing conditions, the site and its views. We look at wind direction and solar angles. What is the approach to the site? How does someone access the outdoors? We talk with you and do our best to understand the feel of the space you wish to have. We look at the local zoning codes, building codes, and ordinances. With the wealth of information, we can begin the next phase. Schematic design is the organization of ideas on a page through sketching and modeling, by hand and through the use of a computer. This is where an architect uses all the design information we've collected in pre-design to format loose ideas and design concepts. We move into a problem-solving mode to address the project issues, pushing ourselves to meet your wants and discover many new design possibilities to present to you. We wrap up this phase by putting together a presentation package of drawings, sketches, or renderings to go over and discuss the pros and cons of the solution with you. Once a building is agreed upon, our office pushes forward with testing and exploring the building in more detail. This is phase 3, the design development phase. Back to the drawing board. Loose diagrams and sketches we discuss become more refined, and constant adjustments take place. Again, we put together another set of presentation drawings to meet with you and further explore the building together, making changes and discussing multiple options as we go. As a summary, pre-design is the collecting of information. Schematic design is organization of information. And design development is testing and expanding on the agreed design path. In our next video, we will go over some remaining important phases of design and the phases during construction. If this information is helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Hit the bell icon below to be notified when the new videos are released. Thank you.